Good morning everybody, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today I'm doing a little bit of a cozy Sunday vlog. It's just going to be a slow Sunday. I've got a few errands to run and I've just got a few bits and pieces to do, but also a lot of chill time as well, so I thought I'd just bring you along with me. So this morning is so nice because at least one day at the weekend my husband makes pancakes, so I had those this morning. I was in a banana and Nutella mood, which isn't like me. I normally just have banana and sugar, but I really crave Nutella this morning, so I had that, which was lovely. And then I just took some extra time to get ready, so I've just done my nails, but do excuse my eyelashes because this one in particular needs redoing. I've kind of overused them and you can see that some are missing, so it looks a little bit weird, but do you know what it'll do for today? I'm only going like grocery shopping and taking the dog for a walk and things. But yeah, I thought I'd bring you along with me. So the first errand that I've got to run is the grocery shop. So I always make a list. I have this planner which is literally the best planner. I might talk about it a little bit later when I do my Sunday kind of reset, but it's absolutely incredible. Like, every time I've had a planner, there's always had sort of things missing, so I've had to have two, or a planner and a notebook, and I just feel like then I don't look at my goals and then I'm not aligned. So this one kind of captures everything, so I might go through it with you later because you can get it on Amazon and it's only £10, which is so much cheaper than say like the law of attraction planners that are £30, and obviously they're a lot bigger. This one can fit in your handbag and it even has a a pen holder as well, so yeah, it's absolutely perfect. So yeah, the first errand is going to the grocery shop, and I do have a list here and my meal plan ready to go. So we've just done the groceries and had lunch, and now's the time for my daughter to go down. So usually at this time on the weekend we kind of try and get all the jobs done that we can't get done while she's around. So I'm going to try and do a little bit of editing, but first I want to take Dottie out for a walk. And then by the time we've done that, she'll probably would have woken up. Fingers crossed I can get a little bit of editing done because I really need to do it today. I really want to start getting more into Instagram and doing some reels and things, just because sometimes you just want like a quick overview what's in the shops and stuff, and I managed to capture some stuff in the bargain shops that I went into recently. So yeah, I'm going to put that up there. Also yeah, I am in my dressing gown because it's one of those days. It started off and it was really rainy and horrible, and then it really brightened up, so there's been blue skies, but it's just so chilly even with the heating on. So yeah, I'm a dressing gown sort of gal, so that's why I'm wearing that. But yeah, so I'll probably check in with you a bit later after I've done my next few errands. Hello guys, I'm now checking in with you. It is the evening now. I had such a busy afternoon. Little one decided it was not a nap day today, so just kind of did what we could. I did manage to take Dottie for a walk, which was really nice. And then by the time I come back, she was already kind of like up and out of bed and awake and definitely wasn't going back down. So just played with her this afternoon, and then also you'll see that I made dinner, which was the first time I've made like a cheesy pasta bake, which was really nice. I had loads of leftover veggies, so I threw those in. And then I'm not gonna lie, I was so tired of actually being for a little nap. Obviously I'm in the third trimester of pregnancy now, so I'm tired anyway, but I was told last time I went to see the midwife that I have low iron levels, so sometimes it just gets to that point where it feels like I hit a brick wall and I can't go any further. Like, it's not even eye tired, like, do you know when you feel sleepy and your eyes feel really heavy? It's more like in my body, like my muscles, like I've almost done like a really long endurance workout and I literally just can't move anymore. So even if I don't fall asleep, just having a lie down makes me feel so much better. So I just lay down for about an hour, and now for the rest of this evening all I've got to do is plan my Sunday using my planner. I'll tell you a little bit more about that actually, and then I'm going to edit those videos that I said that I was going to edit earlier. But yeah, this planner is, oh my god, I just love it so much. I did ask for this for Christmas and I really kindly got it. I was so pleased because the layout of it is just absolutely amazing, so I'll show you now. So it does give you overviews of the year if you do like to just kind of like plan out or circle these. I used to circle these for birthdays, but there is also a birthdays and anniversaries to remember, so there's like boxes with all of those on. I'll just cover those because I've got loads of names on mine. But yeah, it's so handy to be able to review those kind of like each month. It also has a big master plan where you can put goals, and then they've split it down into different sections. And it also has this quote, which I do like because I do totally believe in. I have to admit, like, this wasn't big enough for my goals, and I already have a certain way of writing goals out, but at the back of the planner there is a note section. So what I've done is basically written my goals down in the note section, and what I like about this is that all my goals and my daily plans are in one place, which is just amazing. Now it also has a monthly section. They don't put the days down, so if, for example, you're not great at sticking to kind of like writing goals or sticking through plans for the month and you can't, or you forget to do it one month, or you're super busy or whatever, this is flexible, which I do like because there is months sometimes where I don't do it, and it means you're not wasting any space in your planner. So yeah, so month, I tend to use this section for YouTube videos, but you could do it for, I don't know, things that you've got coming up or whatever, just for like a really quick overview. And then it also has this note section here. What I also really like is this monthly to-do list. So I've put in mine stuff that I really want to do for the month. So I've even planned ahead because there's some months now that I kind of want to do a little bit more crafting and make some wreaths, so I've put that in there. Certain people that I want to see, dinners that I want to do, stuff like that. Just, I don't know, some motivating things to keep me going. And then of course, like, I've got to pack like the hospital bag and stuff, so that's gone down. So I have stuff that I really want to do, stuff that I have to do, and you know, just other bits and bobs. And I really like the fact that they've got a budget planner. I like to track my expenses every month. I'm a big saver, so I don't know what it is about writing it down, but I feel like it's so much more helpful than just logging it on like a banking app or something like that. So yeah, I really appreciate this. And then this is how the day-to-day bit is written out, which I also really like. I like seeing a week overview. Every Sunday I like to sit down and just go through what I'm doing that week. So I'll always fill out this meal planner, really like that. So I'll just put my dinners in here, so evening meals, and then just in this space at the bottom I'll put breakfast and lunch ideas. I don't tend to like eating the same breakfast and lunch, so I'll just pop a few ideas down and a few snacks as well, particularly if I'm trying to be extra healthy. It's got a habit tracker, which is great because there's certain things that I'm trying to keep up at the minute. I have some physio exercises that I have to do, and it's so easy for me to kind of fall off the bandwagon with them, so I like to track those. Making sure that I take Dottie for a walk is one of mine, and also giving her a mental stimulation game, because she's a poodle. She kind of she almost needs to be challenged, so I just put that down just as a reminder every day to make sure that I do it. Really like this big to-do list section because there's obviously stuff that you pick up in the day, and even for me it's like cleaning bits, and I think, well, I can't fit it in today, but like when am I going to do it? And if I don't write it down, I forget it. So I tend to put it in here. If I feel like I've got too many going on, I'll go into the following week. And then each day, you can see they haven't put like the numbers on again, so you can put your own in. I tend to just put the date next to it. I'll put like little boxes and like my to-dos, and then I'll just check them off throughout the day as I go. So it's really well organised. I just absolutely love the layout of this planner. I've not had a better planner than this. And then what completely sold me on this planner, it even has a Christmas section, which is so good because I tend to just have to make one in the notes section in the back of my planners normally. But yeah, it's got like category, gift ideas, budget, actual, which is amazing. It's pretty much what I do anyway. And it has Christmas to-do list, Christmas shopping list. See that there's also a project section as well. So if you know you've got a big project, even if that's like, I don't know, a house project or anything, you can write it in here. Maybe you're doing some DIY or changing a room and you just want to know who's doing what. Yeah, so there is 2 project pages. And then the final page, if you like to use it, is a bucket list page. Again, I like to write down kind of what I would like to do each quarter. Now kind of quarterly goals. So in Easter I want like some family over to cook over a lovely Easter meal, and they're like the same at Christmas, and making lovely like DIYs and crafts. So that's the sort of things that I've got down on sort of more like my seasonal bucket lists, and I find that a little bit better than life bucket lists because I feel like you change so much. So yeah, that's the planner. Yeah, so I think that planner is really cool, and hopefully a few of you guys find that helpful as well. If I remember, I'll try and leave a link in the description below, but if I don't, just type in Classy Planner into Amazon, and they've got different colours as well if you're not into that kind of like pinky rose gold colour. I even have like one of these pens that matches, and this is just from Poundland. But yeah, do you know what, when you write in like to-dos and stuff, like day to day, it can be quite mundane, so I just like to make things look pretty. I've also added like a few stickers into the back envelope as well, just to kind of like pretty it up as I'm doing it. But yeah, that is it really for this evening. Like I said, I'm just going to edit videos and also just kind of plan out the rest of my week as much as I can. I kind of like to check in at the end of the day as well using that planner too. But yeah, anyway, I will say bye for now. I'll probably do like a few little clips after this. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully I managed to get some good footage. It's so weird, I'm not used to vlogging, and I don't know how it's going to turn out until the end, and I don't know why. I always feel a little bit more nervous talking to the camera when I'm vlogging. I feel like maybe it's because I've done hauls since I started my YouTube channel. It comes a little bit more naturally to me, but hopefully they're enjoyable in some way. And I just want to say a big thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.